Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure image optimization with Cloudinary for faster UI step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Cloudinary. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Media Library section. Upload your images to the Media Library. Select an image to optimize. In the Image Details view, look for the Edit option. Choose the Transform tab to access transformation settings. Select the optimization options available. Choose the desired format for your images, such as JPEG or WebP. Adjust the quality slider to a level that balances quality and file size. Enable automatic format selection to serve the best format for each user's device. Click Apply to save your transformations. To generate optimized URLs, click on the Transformations button. Copy the generated URL for your optimized image. In your web application, replace the original image URLs with the optimized ones. Make sure to test the optimized URLs in your application. Monitor the loading speed of your UI to evaluate improvements. Consider enabling additional optimization features, like responsive breakpoints. Regularly update your media library with new optimal settings as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.